So we're Scott and Leigh Bowman. We moved to Manhattan in 2010. We've been here about 9 years now. When we moved into this home, it was a fixer-upper on a hillside. Looked like a abandoned home on a hillside. Since then, we've had a lot of work done on it through Midland Exteriors. We knew we wanted good. We didn't want to settle for cheap window that wasn't going to last. Jamie just really put our mind at ease with these Marvin windows, and we have been so happy with these.
Well, you know you have a quality window when you can put a candle in the window at 100 degrees, and it's fine.
We had another company come out, and they couldn't tell us how much each window was going to be, and we were trying to decide whether we were going to do all the windows or just a few of the windows, and it was like dealing with a used car salesman. This is what your payments are going to be. They couldn't tell us how much each thing cost. And Jamie came in and he sat down with us, and JB said, well, I'm going to tell you how much all the windows are individually. He said, so it doesn't matter to me whether you do one window or 13 windows. This is the price per window. Yeah. And that made us feel really comfortable because we knew what we were paying for each window.
And when we had the siding done, there was no question who was going to do it. The back of the house had settled quite a bit, so when they went to put it up, it was going to need some adjustment. And so he came and, now, how would you like it to look? I can tell you how we would do it, and it just looks perfect. You can't tell at all.
After they did the door and the windows and fixed the siding, we told Jamie that when we get ready to do the steel siding, we weren't even going to get other quotes.
We knew who we trusted at that point. Jamie really walked us through the process between the different options that he could do, could do all of them, and we had a certain budget, and although the steel was a little bit more, it really wasn't that much more for the advancement of quality and durability that we will get. And so bang for your buck, steel was the way to go. I think for me, it was the constant communication. The team was here when they said they would be here. They did what they said they were going to do. The quote was the quote. There were no hidden fees or charges or surprises at the end. Jamie himself came out to make sure that everything was to his specifications, and of course it was. We just felt comfortable from the moment that we met about the windows and about the siding to right up to the end.
So we really appreciated the fact that we were important.
And it didn't seem to matter whether our budget was $5,000 or $50,000. We've had several projects done. It was just the same attention on each project. Yeah,
that's really how it feels like.
I don't know how you can put it into words. The feeling of pride in your home. I have peace of mind in saying that it's done. I'm not going to have to deal with it again, and it's quality.
Plus, it's like every time I come down the hill and get ready to pull in the driveway, you see the house and you just kind of smile. I mean, what do you want? I mean, what else could you ask for?